So what are we looking at here, Cody?
Yeah, so when we got the body flipped over, we had some rough spots we needed to address. This section right here, there's like a cross member on the frame, and so it's kind of hiding this section of the body. So when we separated it, we had some rough spots that we needed to address. So while we got it on its side, we're just cutting out all the old stuff and put some new metal in.
So you saw we just took out this temporary jig we made to keep the body straight while it was on the rotisserie. But while that was on the rotisserie, we put some new doubler plates on this chassis. Kind of makes it a little bit thicker and reinforces that frame. To go along with also down here, we made almost like a subframe type deal out of some tube. So you've got two additions to the chassis itself that keep it rigid, keep it strong, keep it from flexing. And then that way it's streamlined, so whether you look at it from the front, the back, the side, 45-degree angles, you're streamlined all the way through. We got our good friends over here at Master Power Brakes to give us a custom designed and engineered conversion kit for our 56 Continental. Here's some of the hardware here. We're slapped it on the car today. We've got the rear end on already. Still got to throw the e-brake on there, but we're excited to get the rest of this on the 56. Alrighty, so here's the little build and install sheet. As you can see, designed and engineered custom for our 56 here at Foose Design. And it just kind of goes through. What I thought was really cool about this is it uses the factory spindles and some of the hardware, and it's just a real easy kit that they designed for us to slap on the car with a lot of the existing stock parts. Went together super easy, user friendly.
Well, Pat and Linda Velasco's Continental is going back together now. I think the last time you saw it, it was on a rotisserie. The frame was out from underneath it. We were finishing up all the floors. Those have been done. We're putting the car back together. We actually primered the frame, got the body back on, and now it's all about all the little details that have to be finished on this car. Building all the moldings, like what's going to be on top of the windshield here. Because we cut the top off, we don't have the top there, so we're building all those finished details. We're going to hand make all the chrome trim that goes around the base here. We've got to build the back seat. Of course, we're using the Thunderbird back seat, but also those sheet metal, that wraparound rear seat's going to go in it. I think it's going to be really cool. I can't wait to get those pieces in and start final design of the interior. Now the motor, we've got the intake to finish up and get that air cleaner on it. Of course, Master Power Brake built this really beautiful power brake system for the car, and they went a step above that. They actually scanned the original spindles on this car. We built those so they're dropped to get the car down, and they built their own spindles for us so that we can get all of the Master Power Brake system on the car. It's going to be excellent. Thank you, Master Power Brake. Can't do it without you. And then, of course, we're finishing up some of the sheet metal work around where the radiator will be. We'll get the radiator mounted, finished, and it's all about getting all those details before we can blow this apart, start painting it.